Welcome to Discover the Hottest Products and Niche Trends to Boost Your Amazon Success, the podcast where we uncover the latest trends and products shaping the e-commerce landscape. In this episode, we'll explore strategies to identify the hottest products and niche trends that can propel your Amazon success to new heights. The importance of product trends. Understanding product trends is crucial for staying ahead in the competitive Amazon marketplace. Market dynamics. Recognize the ever-changing nature of consumer preferences and market demands. Competitive advantage. Leveraging trending products and niche trends can give you a competitive edge and boost your sales. Strategies for identifying hot products. Let's dive into effective strategies for identifying hot-selling products. Market research tools. Utilize tools like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, and AMZ Scout to analyze sales data, track trends, and identify emerging products. Amazon Best Sellers. Keep an eye on Amazon's best sellers list to spot products gaining traction and popularity. Google Trends. Use Google Trends to identify search volume trends and gauge the popularity of potential products or niches. Navigating niche trends. Niche markets offer unique opportunities for growth. Here's how to navigate them. Identify emerging niches. Look for underserved or emerging niches with passionate audiences and less competition. Social media. Monitor social media platforms and online communities to identify niche trends and consumer interests. Industry publications. Stay informed about niche trends by reading industry publications, blogs, and forums related to your target market. Evaluating product viability. Assessing the viability of potential products is essential. Demand and competition. Evaluate the demand for a product and the level of competition within the niche. Profitability. Consider factors like profit margins, fulfillment costs, and pricing dynamics to determine the profitability of selling a product. Seasonality. Be mindful of seasonal trends and fluctuations in demand for certain products, implementing your strategy. Now that you've identified hot products and niche trends, it's time to take action. Product selection. Choose products that align with your brand, target audience, and business goals. Inventory management. Plan your inventory and stock levels based on demand forecasts and seasonal trends. Marketing and promotion. Develop marketing strategies to promote your products and capitalize on trending keywords and hashtags. As you embark on your journey to boost your Amazon success, remember to stay vigilant and adaptable in identifying and capitalizing on the hottest products and niche trends. By leveraging the strategies discussed in this episode, you can position yourself for growth and profitability in the ever-evolving e-commerce landscape. Thank you for tuning in to Discover the Hottest Products and Niche Trends to Boost Your Amazon Success. For more detailed guidance, resources, and personalized support to launch and grow your Amazon business, don't hesitate to visit us and we can help you find your first product and help launch it on Amazon. You can also simply Google AMZ Product Launcher to find us. We're here to help you navigate every step of your Amazon selling journey. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, your successful Amazon journey starts here at AMZ Product Launcher.